Well, it's that time again. Time to talk about the real estate stats for last month, October 2020. Hi, I'm Nora Spangler and I'm with Rogue Real Estate here in beautiful Bend, Oregon. I make these videos to help inform my viewers and subscribers, so if you like my videos, would you give them a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and hit the little bell icon, and then you'll get notified every week when I make a new video. First, let's take a look at the 12-month averaged statistics. So that means we're going to be looking at 12 months of data, and we're going to compare this October to last October, and let's see where we are. Just so you know what kind of stats we're talking about today, my stats only include the city of Bend, and I only use single family homes. So our median home price, once again, is on the rise. It went up almost 10%, 9.8, to a number that a while ago I would not have thought possible, $515,000. The number of homes sold is up 11% over last year. What about pending sales? What is under contract right now? Well, those numbers are up 28% over a year ago. So we are really just turning through the homes that come on the market, and they are selling quickly. Now, if you're wondering, are you going to be able to buy a home in Bend? Why don't you click the link up there and watch my video about how to win when there are multiple offers on a home. New listings that came on the market in October are down 7% over last year. How long is it taking to sell homes in Bend right now? So median days on market right now are 23, and that's averaged over the 12 months. Are you considering a move to Bend, Oregon? If you are, go ahead and click the link down below in the description box and grab your copy of the Bend Relocation Guide. Now let's compare September and October and take a closer look at what's going on right now in the Bend market. For just the month of October, the median home sale price was $570,000. Now that sounds really high, but it's actually down 3% from September when it was $589,000. The number of homes sold in October was down a little bit from September, about 17%. But whoa, our pending home sales went up to 565 homes in October, which is a jump of 18% up from September. Okay, now here's some shocking numbers. The median days on market, so how long did it take to sell a home in September, was 7. 7 days. That was the median just for the month of September. What do you think it was for October? 5. Yes, it went down to 5 days. So that just tells you how fast the market is moving right now in Bend. And when a good home at the right price gets on the market, it's probably going to have multiple offers, maybe even over asking, and there's going to be a lot of competition. So what does this mean for you as a buyer or a seller of a home in Bend, Oregon? Well, if you're a seller, it's great news for you because wham, it's going to sell really quickly for you. And as a buyer in this market, boy, you really need to be completely prepared. If you have any credit issues that you know of, please get those checked out first. Talk to a lender, get your pre-approval letter in your hand before we go shopping for your home. Otherwise, you might be really disappointed when we can't win that offer for you because other people are more prepared and they have that pre-approval letter. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you'll like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again next week.